A very good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all of you fit and healthy. And yesterday was Basant Panchami. So all of you worship at your home to Saraswati Ma. Yes, you know? Yes, na? Very good. Better. And I hope all of you done now the previous classwork in your book. Some students are not done. If some students are not done, they can do this work with the help of this picture. Okay. Today we will do the remaining part of this test paper 2. This is the part 1 answer. Question number 1. Question number A. This is tick the correct option. Then second question is give two examples of each of the following. This is the answer. Question number B. Then today we will do the question number C. Okay, then I am rubbing this questions. Question number C, beta. All of you look at here. Question number C. This is the remaining part of test paper 2. And this is name the following. Look at here. Name the following. The first question is nearest neighbor of the earth. First question is, this is the question from the last chapter. Going to the moon, nearest neighbor of the earth. Tell me anyone. The answer is moon. Question everyone right now. Name the following. Name the following. Name the following. The first question is nearest neighbor of the earth is moon. Then question number 2. The main source of natural light on the earth is. Tell me the main source of natural light on the earth is. The right answer is sun. Sun is the main source of light on the earth and it is the nearest star from our earth. Number 3 is a house with a dome-shaped roof. Dome-shaped roof, it means this shape roof. It means the roof is a half circle like a igloo house. Okay. Your answer is a house with a dome-shaped roof is igloo. And in Rajasthan area, some huts in Rajasthan village, some huts are having this type of roof. This shape is called dome-shaped roof, and this roof is found in a igloo houses. Okay. It is the example of dome-shaped roof, igloo houses. Number 4 is a very small living things that can make us fall sick. Tell me, and we cannot see it. It is very small living things that are called germs. That are called germs. Okay. Move to question number D. Question number D is true, false. Question number D. Question number D. Question number D is T for true, F for false. Okay. I mentioned only T and F. Question number 1 is using public transport like a bus, okay, can help to reduce smoke in the air. Yes, it's true. When we are using now public transport, it is helpful to reduce smoke in the air. This first sentence is a true. Then second is clean and pure drinking water is called potable water. It is a pure water. It's also true. Third is drainage system should be open near a house. What will happen? Think about, if any drainage system should be open near your house, what should be? There is too much smell and it is causes many diseases. It means this sentence is not good for, this sentence is not a right. Drainage system always covered. Okay, so this sentence is false. Okay beta. Number 4 is quartz is used for making talcum powder. Quartz, it is a mineral. Quartz is a mineral. It is a mineral, and quartz, it is used for making watches and calculator screen. This type of, I am showing you. Look at here beta in your book. This is a, here is a watch and here is a calculator, and see this is screen. Here is some number. So quartz is it is a mineral and that is used in making watches and calculator. Okay beta, so this sentence is true. Sorry, false. Here the question is asking quartz is used for making talcum powder. No, it's using for watches and calculator screen and different type of this type of things. So this sentence is a false. Okay, then move to the answer the following question. This E part. This E part is also done in your copy. Answer the following. What is a shadow? What is a shadow? If any object that is blocking the path of light, the image is called shadow. The 3 things to cast a shadow. Tell me. Source of light, object and surface. How are clouds formed? This is also done. Write the name of different types of roof. This question is not in syllabus, so everyone cut this question. Okay. Write 2 things that you will do when you get hurt or feel pain. This question is also done. So beta, I am not completed this questions is again. Okay. This work is done in your copy. So pay attention on this book exercise. First is A, tick the correct option. This tick the correct option. Test paper 2. This tick the correct option. Question number A. Look at here. Question number A. After that, question number B is completed all of you in your book. Then question number C is completed in your book. And question number D also completed in your book. Okay beta, and all of you learn the question answer of all chapters that are coming from in your annual exam. Chapter 10, chapter 11 and chapter 13, and this test paper also. Okay beta, hope all of you do very well for your exam. Okay, then till then beta, have a nice day.